For the lab assignment, you're going to be doing 3 different exercises. The first one, you're going to create a new C# console app, and you're going to copy and paste this code. And then you are going to convert the for loop into a while loop. And if you click on the link here, it does show you an example where that is done. And the video that covers the key points actually explains the process to you. And then the next exercise is similar. So you are going to create a new C# console app. You're going to copy and paste this code, and then you're going to convert the while loop into a for loop. And that is the only change you should make when you are working on exercises 1 and 2. You are only changing the loop. And then once everything is working, you will copy and paste that code and put it in the Dropbox. There is a similar example here, okay? And it looks longer because I'm showing the output, but here is the while loop, and here is that loop converted into a for loop. The last exercise is a little bit lengthier. It is similar to this last program in the key points. Okay, and you'll notice that this last program has a menu, a multiply, and a divide method. This program, if you look, has a menu that it's displaying here. And you'll also notice that it's displaying that same menu down here. And there is some code or comments for a menu, an addition method, and a subtraction method. Okay, and in fact, I believe it is calling those methods in here as well. Yep, so here it's figuring out the correct answer. Okay, and asking them what the sum is, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so the code for the addition is here, and the code for the subtraction is here. Okay, and so what you need to do is kind of create a menu method below the comment and pull out that code that it's displaying for the menu and put it into the method. Then you're going to do an addition method, and you're going to take out the code that you'll use for the method, which is basically all of this, and you'll put that down here in an addition method. And then what you will do is call the method here. Okay, and then you'll do the same thing for subtraction. This is pretty much the code that you need for the subtraction method. So you're going to create the method, move that code into it, and then you'll call the method. Okay, and that is why it is helpful to see an example where that is being done. So here is a multiply and divide method, similar to the addition and subtraction. Okay, and then if you look up in the main method, not a whole lot going on up here because all of the work is in the methods below it. Okay, so you can see that here it's calling multiply and here it's calling divide. So you're going to be doing something similar. Okay, except for you are dealing with addition and subtraction. And you will also have a menu. So here's where they're calling the menu, and they're calling it here as well. So you're going to be setting up your program almost identical to this one. And I've given you most of the code. Okay, so hopefully you won't have problems with this, but if you do run into any difficulties, You can certainly copy what you have and send it to me, and I am happy to help. Once you get everything running, you are going to take this last program, copy and paste it into the Dropbox.